So reading from a file can be done a few different ways. So if we have that my file object that we created, and I want to take the contents of that file and put them into a string, what I would do is I would say myfile.read, and I would give it no parameters. I still need to use the parentheses because the method requires those. So myfile.read will take the entire contents of that text file and put them into this string variable. And then it becomes just a regular old string full of characters. If I want, I can also use read with an argument. It takes an integer, and the integer represents the number of characters that you want to read from that file. So if I do this, myfile.read with 10, it will take the first 10 characters of that file, put them into that string. Bless you. The next time I call that, it will actually take the next 10. So it remembers where you're at. As long as my file is open, that pointer will keep track of what's been read from that file. So if I do myfile.read 10, 10, 10, I can get characters in groups of 10 from that file if I want to do that. Similarly, I can read the file one line at a time. Like if I've got lines of data in that file, I can read it one line at a time using readLine. Okay? And readLine does not require any parameters or any arguments.